Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video I will show you my settings for BinBotPro. Once again, it's a small update since last time. This time is even better settings. So if you want to run BinBotPro with profit like I do, then this is for you. Also below the video you find a link to BinBotPro. Using that link you can get 200% on your first deposit using the promo code also that you find below the video. So if you have an account from before, no worries, just make a new one and you can get 200% on your first deposit using this link. Okay, so let's get to the setting of BinBotPro. Hey and welcome to Alpha One. In this video I will show you how I run BinBotPro. There have been a few changes since the last video as I have learned a little more, only so you can get the highest win rate possible. So as you can see here now, I have made my own robot. You should make your own also. So now let's open this one here. Go here, then you see up here edit robot. Let's open there. So the most important that you need to look at here now is MACD. That's the one we're using. These two are the one you need to choose because you need 3 indicators, but the most important is that one. What I have learned from this, that he don't care if he cross in top or in bottom. So that's a small issue, but we are going to get to that. Here we can now see that we are, for example, only looking for buy opportunities. In the another video I did make it the other way around because they have changed this thing. So if you want to only buy opportunities, need to move this one to the buy area. And for example, for euro against dollar, now it's only for sell opportunities. Okay, the reason we do that is because we are now going to look at our indicator so we can know if the trade is going to be a buy or sell for us. So let's take for example, now let's take euro against dollar and I will give you my thoughts around it. So here we can say we are now in a 5-minute. You can see here we have a 200 moving average, and you can see down here now you already had a cross that is going up, and as we are below the 200 moving average we are only looking for sell opportunities. So as we already had a cross in the bottom to go up, that means it's a perfect one to put in for a sale. If this one it did not have a cross up yet, we could not have done it, because if the cross come up he would still see it as a cross and he will do a trade. That's what I mean. So now as we already had the cross up, the blue one crossing the red up, and you are below the 200 moving average, as we are only looking for sell, that means he will need to cross down. Perfect sell opportunity for us. So this one we can then add to the list. Okay, so that means this one is perfect for a sell right now. Let's now take a look at another one. Let's go to the list here. Let's see which one we're going to check. Let's take this one, GBP USD, as a last example. Let's then go back to here. We take this one. We are still on 5 minutes. So here also you can see we are still looking for only sell opportunities. Here also you can see we already crossed it up with the blue, crossing up for the red. So this one also is a perfect sell opportunity on 5 minutes. So then let's go back here, and as you see it's a sell opportunities. Let's take one last one. Let's take euro against Japanese yen. Let's go here, go to watch list. Euro. There we have it. And here we actually also can see we are already crossed up, so that's perfect. he will actually quite soon have crossed down. You can see that we are below the 200 moving average. So only sell opportunities. Let's go back and see. And this one is also on sell opportunities. So there basically I did set up 3 so I can run the robot. And that means I can only do 1 trade for this, and then I need to revisit all this, but it's worth it when you do this. So now, for example, if you're only going to run this, we need to turn off all the another ones here. So now we can see all this 3 now is confirmed. We go down here, we push save, and then we can run the robot. That's basically how I run BinBotPro. That's why I have a higher win rate than most, because I take this time to do things properly. So below the video, you will find, like I said in the start of the video, you will find a link to BinBotPro, and you'll find a promo code that you can use today. So you get 200% on your first deposit. So with that, have a perfect day.